Stop saying your daily routine like a list. Do you say, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to school, I study? These sentences are correct, but they sound boring. Today, I'll show you a simple trick to make your English sound like a real story. And the best part? You only need 5 easy words. First, then, after that. Next, finally. Let's see how they work. First, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast. I drink milk and eat some bread. Next, I get ready for school. I put on my uniform, take my school bag, and go to school. At school, I study English, math, and science. I read books, write in my notebook, and talk with my friends. At lunchtime, I eat rice and vegetables. Then, I play with my friends in the playground. In the afternoon, school finishes, so I go back home. I feel a little tired, so I drink some water and rest. In the evening, I do my homework. After that, I play outside with my friends. Later, I take a bath and put on clean clothes. Then my family and I have dinner together. We talk about our day. After dinner, I watch TV for a little while. Finally, I brush my teeth, go to bed at 9 o'clock, and go to sleep. See? You don't need difficult English to tell a good story. Just use simple verbs like wake up, eat, go, study, play, watch, sleep. And connect your ideas with first, then, after that, next, finally. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your daily routine using these 5 words. First, what do you do when you wake up?